What's up, everyone? This is TV. There's TV. I'm just watching one thing. If I can go on board and make a house. Here for the location. I'm just going on boats. No, just a shark spawned. So the water is shallow though. Okay. No. Why is it not moving? Move. Move, bro. Oh no. Jesus, no. I'll just jump out of this. What happened to my car? I just put my car in. I can't get it. No. Can't get my car back. What the hell happened to my car? Oh no. Some guys what the heck? What? It didn't just let. Please wait for seconds. No. Move, boy. Move. Just move. Yeah. What's damn wrong with sharks? I'll go and pick a different location. Rather like my own boat. I just need to speed enough. It's moving. It's moving. I'm just trying to find. That's all the video. See you later. Goodbye.